I got a call from my sister that my mom was in the direct path of the tornado. We didn't know anything else. And it was very disorienting because nothing was where it should be. The house ended up way down there, and she was found buried under the rubble of the house.
I was so scared. I just heard she's screaming and bleeding, and that's all I heard.
And she's 75. She got out of that rubble. I don't know how she lived. It's nothing short of a miracle that she's with us.
Samaritan's Purse is currently here on the ground in London, Kentucky. This is where the community has experienced tragic loss due to the tornado that came through a few days ago.
I found a high school picture.
We're with St. Joseph London, the hospital here. We've allocated this day for our leadership team to come out and help with recovery. And obviously Samaritan's Purse is someone that we could really rely on. And they were one of the first ones to come into our community.
Like the sun is shining.
I was just standing outside, and somebody came up to me and was like, "Do you need help?" And I said, "Yes, I do."
All kinds of help, chainsaws and helping us pick through rubble and clearing trees. It made all the difference here. It really did.
You find these personal items which obviously have special meaning and memories. We found stuffed animals. We found a pair of the baby's first shoes. So we pulled those aside just to make sure that the owner is able to get those back.
They did amazing. My dad's ashes, got that. My dad's plaque from the Army, wedding rings, pictures. We sent, found her phone, found her watch. Thank you.
Everything we really wanted to find, we pretty much have found. It was amazing.